Where are we going?
Well, we're in beautiful Toledo.
Yes. Literally beautiful, scary Toledo.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Anyhow, we are headed to a dog rescue in Lucas County, which is the county that's in Toledo, to have Guy meet some potential siblings. We do have Guy with us because he would need to meet his potential siblings to see if he gets along with them or not. Me and a Toledoan.
Just a random broke down vehicle.
They're probably gonna fish.
Off the bridge of the construction.
Oh, that's people fish off the random places in this area. Here we are. Let's go meet some puppies.
We've been sitting here forever, huh, Guy? Been waiting and waiting for Lynn. At least we're sitting in the air conditioning. So Guy and I have been sitting here for about an hour or more waiting on Lynn. I don't know what the holdup is, but she should be out here soon, I hope. Alright, so it's been like 2 hours that we've been here. We had to introduce Guy to a total of 3 dogs to see who got along the best. None of them were ever aggressive or anything like that, but Guy seemed like he was kind of annoyed with some of the dogs. So we finally found one that was a pretty good fit. We'll see how it works out when we get home. And hopefully, before too long here, Lynn will be coming out through the door. Yay! It's about time.
Try to make her go to the bathroom first.
Okay. This should be interesting.
Should make for an interesting ride home.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
she's shaking.
she's what, a year old?
Yeah, year-old boxer mix. They've had her here for like a week. Came in as a stray.
And they gave her a name of Carly. She doesn't know her name, so we
No.
could probably
Rename her,
Yeah.
whatever we decide.
Yeah, we don't know what we're going to call her yet.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Alright, we've been here for like 2 hours. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. New place. Yeah. See, Guy's just doing his thing. She's like huffing at the camera.
And
Guy's
Guy
like,
steals the
"Hey."
shot.
Look at him, he's like putting his whole body. Save you, it's okay. So we're trying to think of a name. Just not sure if I want to keep Carly or not.
She doesn't know that name, so if you did change it, it wouldn't matter. Alright, you want to check out the Airstream?
See what it looks like in here. Come on, Guy.
Get used to it, you're going to be a camping dog. Yeah, she can't navigate the steps.
Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
It's not sure. Guy doesn't mind it.
Good girl. Here she comes.
Getting up
Good
the steps?
girl.
You say Airstream?
Yeah. Home on wheels. Go camping. See how Guy does it?
Guy's ready to roll.
She's wagging her tail. She's so little.
Yeah, no, she's like 30 pounds.
She's just checking out.
What do you think?
Do you like it? Good girl. She's been pretty good so far.
Let's pack up and get out.
Yeah, let's give her a test run, camping style.
I don't think you could have picked a better traveling puppy.
She is so freaking chill. It is unbelievable. She literally laid down on my lap. The only reason she sat up was because Mike got out of the truck.
Yeah, we still got Guy.
And he was actually much better on this trip as well. I don't know if it's because there's another dog or what, but he was a lot less whiny. Let's just say that.
Yeah, he probably thinks he's small enough to be on your lap, but 75 pounds?
No. Versus 30?
Yeah. Yeah, she's been great.
No whining, no like scared or fear about anything. So we figured, why not? I know it's early. Normally we wouldn't do this with a new pet, but we figured, why not? She's done great so far. Oh, there's a little harumph.
All right, let's get back to our campsite.
Yeah.
So we're just chilling. And if you hear that noise, it's rain.
Yeah, we just got here, half hour, 45 minutes or so ago. And a storm just starts to roll on in because we bring the rain.
Yep, something we're good at.
Yeah. And there's a couple of our subscribers who are camping here, and Lori Brady was like, hey, the Wagners are here and the storm rolls in. And I'm like, yep, it's just how it goes. If you want us, we bring the rain.
I don't have a place to sit.
She jumped up here all by herself. Like, leapt up here.
Oh well, I'll just stand.
We did decide on a name though.
Yeah, what is it?
Piper. So we got ourselves a Guy and a Piper. So far, she's been an excellent camping dog.
Well, so far, still got the awning out.
That's doing good. The wind is staying low.
It's just rain.
Piper is doing quite well too. She's not nervous or anxious like that one is all the
Yeah.
time.
He won't stop pacing. He wants in, then he wants out.
Yeah.
Over and over.
So far, she's been excellent.
Yeah, it's just been rain, so luckily the awning can stay out. Where are we going?
On our very first official pack walk.
Yeah, the weather is good again. It's not
Yes,
raining.
Stopped raining. We grilled some burgers, and now we're just ready to go take a cruise along the park. Piper. How about you guys? You look bored.
Well, I don't think we could ask for a better camping dog.
Certainly not. She's been great, to say the least. Guy is a great camping dog as well, but he's scared of everything, and she's not.
Yeah, the whole point of this trip was just to test her out, see how Piper's going to work out as a camping dog, and what you see is what we got.
Yeah, she rides like this the whole time. I'm just trying to give them some space. I mean, they get along, but I don't want to like force
Too much
it.
too soon?
Yeah, too much too soon. I don't want to force it. I'll just let her. I mean, if this is how she's gonna ride, then heck, this is great.
Yeah, I have no complaints about this one.
Yeah, and that's good on my book, because I want everyone to be happy, not just me. So
overall, it was a success.
It was a great success. She even got to experience night walks. Last night we took a long night walk.
Yeah,
and
about
they
what?
loved it.
10, 11 o'clock?
Yeah.
Let's see what Guy's doing. Hey, he's pretty chill.
Laying on the bed that he refuses to lay on in the house.
Yeah, so we put it in the truck. He has no choice now. Well, I think he likes it.
I think so too.
Any final thoughts before we close this?
Well, we just came to East Harbor, just like Mike said, just to do a test run with Piper and see how she liked it. If she didn't, then we could just as easily pack up and go home. But all worked out well. Now tomorrow we're going to be heading into work, and that'll be a whole new experience for her. So we'll keep you guys posted on how she's doing. I'm sure she'll show up in all of our videos, just like Guy.
And we met some subscribers. Quite a few this weekend.
Yeah, quite a few.
So if you guys have Instagram, go find and follow Adventures with Kai and Tin Man.
Right. It's pretty much his dog.
Yeah, it's Instagram about their dog.
Which is great. I love that. These two always show up on our Instagram, so you can check out our Instagram page too. And if you haven't already, Facebook, all that good stuff.
Oh, what do you say, Piper? Can you say nothing toes like a dooley?